Republic country. Country means state. A country which has a head directly or indirectly elected by the people. Who is our head? The president. If that head rules the country, unlike monarchy, that country is called republic. Students, our country is so sovereign, social, democratic, secular republic. So you know what is meant by sovereign. Sovereign means autonomous. Our country takes decisions by its own. It does not depend upon any country. It's powerful. Socialistic means all are equal. In future, everyone economically should become equal. So secular means, students, our country is very, very powerful. India is great. Why India is great? There is a question. I shall explain you. Our country is secular country. There are so many religions in our country. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Jains, Buddhists. Many races are there. Mongoloids, Negrotoids, Aryans, Dravidians, various kinds of races are there. So many languages speaking people are there. Many cultures, traditions, all, though people are different, all have communal harmony. They think our country, India, though they pray many gods, they think India is our country. This kind of unity in diversity is rare in the world. Our country is exemplary, such kind of powerful country. India is. We have communal harmony and national integrity. One thing must be always rejuvenate in your mind, reverberate in your mind, that you see not gold, but only people can make nation great and strong. You children always observe, get more knowledge, such that happily you can improve our country. You see, nowadays there is a great talk that India is going to become #1 in the world. People have become very industrious, knowledgeable, thought-provoking, with good ideas and thoughts. They have many plans in their brain. So students, we have to make our country great and strong. This constitution is very powerful, lengthiest constitution in the world. It is true. Our constitution makers, see, for example, Constituent Assembly, there were 299 people. They were directly and indirectly elected by the people. Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad was the president of Constituent Assembly. They elected, selected, appointed one committee that was called Constitution Drafting Committee. How many members were there? 7 members were there. So to that, Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman for the Constituent Assembly. These 7 members. Babu Rajendra Prasad was also there. Ambedkar, Krishnamachari, next Muhammad, Muslim was also there. Christian was there. They prepared constitution. Students, people also participated indirectly. So this has been made lengthiest constitution in the world, very powerful. One thing is very, very important, my dear students. When we talk about India, when we talk about constitution, we get goosebumps, we get excitement, we are inspired. This should be shown in our daily life, our activities. Work is worship. When you are working, You should get lot of happiness. Then you will develop, my dear students. That is very important. Have always fraternity, universal brotherhood. So help one another. Get good education. So there are the freedom fighters fought for freedom. They have great aspirations. We have to make their dreams real. Okay, thank you.